Hello, I'm Jay with Z Auto Service. We've been with Lyft for about 3 months and the experience been really great. Before signing up with them, we were in a really sad place. We were with another company that did not deliver results. They overpromised and underdelivered, and we lost 2 central months of this year. So we were all scared, frustrated, and almost um, lost our team. Ever since signing up with them, it's been great. They actually did the opposite. They were really clear of what to expect and how long it's going to take, but it didn't even take that long. Their results showed really fast. Their phones are ringing pretty much first month, which we did not expect, and our online presence is just going up. It looks really professional. They're super easy to deal with. They're really responsive, and they basically been just so easy and great to deal with since the day one. We are really happy. So if you're hesitating, please do not waste your time with somebody who cannot deliver you results. Go with them. They've been they've been amazing, and I did not just choose them like the other company before. I did my research, and everyone who has been working with them had only good things to say about them, which I'm doing right now because I'm another really happy customer. Thank you, Lyft.